What's in the house, Day?
A bird.
Where? The bird. Oh, he looks like he's hurt. Oh, he's dead.
No, he's not.
What just happened to him?
He's stressed out.
Well, what are we going to do?
I'm going to take him and put him outside. Hey,
Now step back on this carpet right here. Get on this rug. Here comes the bird. He's going to fly, y'all.
I hope he's done. Is he going to fly out?
He's going to fly out. What do you think he's going to do?
He's right there.
How did Avery get back? You're going to lose an eyeball. How did he get in there?
He's in there. Flew in from the other side of the
What
house.
else in the house? Woo! Oh, yeah. Dave, what's in the house?
Now he's up there.
What are we going to do, Dave?
He's in there.
It's alright, man. I'll get him.
You want to get your shotgun, Dave?
He's in the basket.
He's in the basket. Okay, what are we going to do now?
Daddy's gonna get it. She's freezing.
In the basket.
Look, oh,
Wow, we were right there in our
is
house.
he pooping everywhere?
No.
Where is he? Oh, there he is. He's cute.
Whoa! He's right there.
Oh,
Oh, he's hungry.
he's hungry as hair bugs. He's in the clothes. He's in the clothes. He's on the floor, Day. Champy, no. You see him on the floor? What do you want, a net? Do we have a dip net? Okay, y'all step back. Where? What's in the house, Where?
It's on my shoe.
Mm-hmm. Why don't we just leave him alone for a few minutes?
Get him without squishing.
Don't squish him.
He's got in his basket.
Woo! Oh, what are we gonna do now? He's down there, Day. What should we do now?
Come back this way.
Why don't you just open the door down there and let him fly out?
Well, I would.
Y'all step
I
back.
need to go from the other side. When I go down there, he's probably going to come out.
Step back. My goodness. Hey, Avery, what are we doing? Step back. Where, what are we doing? What's in the house? A bird. Avery, what's in the house? Bird. Day, what's in the house? Go get your shotgun, Day. Put your camo on and get your shotgun, right? Your shotgun's in Daddy's truck. When did you get a shotgun? You got a grapple at the scrapyard yesterday. Yes. You want my phone? We gotta put our pretty clothes on and go take a picture. Okay, let's go look for the bird one more time. Here he comes. Whoa, here he comes. Whoa.
Hey, guys. Come here.
Hey, did you get him? You want him down? Get in the cage.
Mommy,
Go where? Go down.
me.
I'm coming. Come on. Did Daddy catch it?
He's resting on me.
Oh, look. Daddy got a bird.
Oh.
Champ, no.
Whoa!
You want to let him go?
Yeah.
Cool. Come on, let's get him in this room right here.
He's got
Whoa, there he goes.
Whoa!
Oh, bird,
Not
no.
back in here.
No. Champ, no, Champ.
No.
No. Go, Champ.
Bird probably have a heart attack.
Better step away, honey.
Champ, no.
Champ, no. We don't need the bird.
No! Champ! Go
we can just...
That's what I'm saying.
Come on, y'all go out towards the door, okay? The bird will follow you. Okay, here. He's up on top of the cabinets. Well, now we can just leave him and open the garage doors, can't we? Where is he?
Is he still up there?
I thought I heard him chirp right there.
Dad said he was outside.
Dave, Avery, what are y'all doing? Did you find him out here? What? He's flying home. Say bye-bye, bird. He's over at Kiki's house?
No.
Is he still inside? Y'all go check inside, okay? Come on. Check inside. Check inside. You like that tree? I thought I heard him chirp right there.
He's flying out there.
Is he up there?
Wow! What's that?
He's up there?
Oh, he's flying out there. Wow!
Well, okay. Well, he's getting close.
He's tweeting.
What does the bird say, Dave?
Tweet.
What does the bird say?
Tweet.
How about we just leave him alone and leave the door open? Honey, he's going to have
Wanna
a
let him
heart
go?
attack.
I'll see if I can grab him.
He's right here.
You want to touch him?
Yeah. And then you like to touch him. Oh! That is that. Oh! Hey!
Go, bird, go. You're close.
Oh!
Oh.
I found you! Oh, I just let him.
Go, go, go. You're so close. You're so close.
He's right there.
Dave, step away.
Right there. He's underneath our box.
He's under the new box. What's in that box, Dave? Look, bird. Shh.
Oh.
Dave, you're gonna make him deaf or have a heart attack one. Oh, look.
I like his feathers.
You like his feathers?
Yeah.
Go, Avery.
Very good. You want to touch it?
I like it.
Okay, you want to let him go?
You
Yeah.
want to
Come
say
on,
bye-bye?
Bye.
Come on. Let's go out here.
Come on.
Say bye-bye, Birdie.
Bye, birdie.
You ready?
Okay, he's going
Ready?
to fly.
You ready? Think he's going to fly? You ready?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Oh, where'd he go? Is he going?
Bye-bye, Birdie.
Bye-bye, birdie. Y'all wave to him.
And he lives in a tree.
Well, that's where birds live, Day.
Oh.
What do they say?
Tweet, tweet.
What do they say, Greer?
Kiki.
Tweet, tweet.
Tweet higher from mommy.
Davis,
Okay.
what do we do to the birds?
We shoot them.
Shoot out.
Davis retrieves them.
Davis, are you a bird dog?
No.
I caught those birds yesterday.
Did you play with dead birds yesterday?
He didn't like the lady.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.